So in this video, we are going to look at something very important. How you can create high quality, profitable YouTube ads that will convert like crazy. So we are going to cover two things. First of all, right, how to create those highly profitable YouTube ads. And second of all, why most people fail with YouTube ads and how to start advertising on YouTube the right way. So let's go straight into it. So if you're watching this video, right, I want you to understand one thing, which is very, very important. So people are on YouTube, right? They go to YouTube for only two reasons. One reason is to learn something new. And the second thing is why to be entertained, right? So there are only two reasons, learn and entertained. You have to understand your audience, not only audience, but the advertising platform that you are in. You have to understand in what kind of mindset, mind frame the customer or the client or the person is who is watching your YouTube ads, right? In that case with YouTube, right, people go there to learn something new. For example, they want to learn how to do push-ups correctly, how to do yoga poses correctly, how to meditate, how to make money, how to lose weight, what kind of exercises to apply, what kind of supplements are great to use, right? So they'll be the intent to learn or to watch pranks, watch movies, right? To be entertained. So those two reasons. Now with this, keep this in mind, because at the end of this video, you're going to understand exactly what I'm trying to portray in this video. So you can see over here, right? Why most people fail with YouTube ads. Very important thing, why lots of affiliate marketers promoting clickbank products fail miserably with YouTube ads. And the reason why is because they don't understand those three things. The funnel, which is basically offer packaging and positioning. They don't understand how to perfectly, or let's say correctly, position their offer, right? In this case, let's say you are promoting MaxWeb or let's say ClickBank weight loss product, weight loss supplements. You don't know how to position on your lander, even you don't know how to position your YouTube ad correctly, how to structure your YouTube ad script correctly so that you can get the right conversion rate, right? Now, creative, again, you don't know the right methodology of how to go step by step, or having someone to hold your hand along the way and show you how this is properly done. And they don't understand the targeting, which is again the next important thing, right? Imagine if you're trying to get a pork sandwich to a Muslim person, right? Or let's be even more radical. Let's say that we are trying to sell a pork sandwich to Muslim vegetarian, right? It will not work, no matter how many bonuses positioning we do. If our target market is not correct, we are not going to convert. So very important thing. And again, most of the gurus are not teaching you this in their courses, which is very, very important, crucial. Another thing, this is our system of how basically YouTube ads works. If you really want to be successful, you need to understand this. Hook, story, close. Again, hook, story, close. Hook should be all the way from 0 to 30 seconds to hook them in, right? Attention, curiosity-based hook. Second thing, story, very important, 30 seconds to 2 minutes. And then it comes to close, which is basically call to action, which is 2 minutes to 3 minutes long. And that's how your YouTube ad should be basically structured, right? Let's call it maximum 5 minutes. Maximum 5 minutes for YouTube ad, right? It can be even less, but this is maximum we're talking in this case, right? So you have to know how to position properly your YouTube ads, right? Your scripts, your creatives, your thumbnails, right? Really, really important. That's what I'm saying. If you're buying courses from any kind of gurus, and I'm not sharing you with these secrets, these basically fundamental marketing strategies on YouTube, then you're basically wasting your money and time away. You need to have someone to guide you through along the way and show the right steps of how this is all done. Now, another thing is how we are structuring this. Please stay until the end of this video, because I'm going to share with you or reveal to you exactly why this system works, right? First of all, I'm having 5 campaigns, but in this case, I'm going to give you for free 3 campaigns that I'm using. The first one is, I always say, use broad keywords and have 5 to 10 keywords over there. In the second campaign, have specific keywords and again, 5 to 10 keywords over there. And in the third campaign, have competitor keywords and 5 to 10 keywords over there. That's how you win. You see, my friend, this is how you get your results, by understanding what kind of campaign framework are you going to use, right? Now, why these campaigns work? It's because these campaigns are the best place to start, because they're all intent based. And I'm always telling you, even on YouTube ads and Google ads, intent is what matters. Intent is what is going to get you buyers, clicks, those buyers who buy the product, who purchase, right? You'll be showing your ads basically to people who are watching videos related to those keywords, or who have typed in that specific keyword recently into Google or YouTube search. Again, very important thing, you see. If you are having someone, let's say I'm looking for a weight loss supplement, and I type in weight loss supplement in Google search, or let's say in YouTube search, right? Your ads are going to appeal to me, right? And appear to me. So that's how this system works, right? But you have to understand who is your audience. You have to have someone to guide you through step by step. You have to have someone to show you how to pre-sell correctly on your landing page, right? Not copy and paste templates, but I'm talking about if you want to not get shut down by YouTube, if you really want to get long-term results, then you want to have someone to guide you through step by step along the way and show the ropes of how it's basically done in a positioning manner correctly, right? Functionally, I'm talking about. So, what is my bonus? So if you want to work with me, or if you want to get this bonus, which is basically $50,000 YouTube ad scripts, right? That we've done over $50,000 with one offer only, in 1 week testing it. What are you going to receive is step 1. You're going to dive deep into avatar, very important. Your niche, your avatar is very important. The second thing is how to positioning your offer. Offer positioning. Step 3 is going to be hook generator. I'm going to give you many examples how to generate great hooks that actually work, that will actually convert to sales. And then how to craft your story-based YouTube ads, right? How to do that correctly. And the last step is writing your perfect ad script, right? So I'm going to give you exact script of how this is done, so you can put in your own little things, your own product name, your own whatever thing you're promoting. So if you want to have access to this after watching this video and after subscribing to my channel, please let